something, my daughter. Do you know that this billionaire here is? Are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Pastor Eddie. I'm
Do you
here.
know that this billionaire called Tony Kabaka is a musician? He sing a lot.
Wow. Wow. And I
But he
love
told me that
musicians.
when you go to use his song, make a video with his song. When you make video with Tony Kabaka song, you will sing. He will call you, he will write you and give you money. Just make a video with his song.
I'm definitely going to do that. But Pastor Eddie, him being married is not a problem. You know, it's not a problem, Pastor Eddie. So if you want to link me up, I'm so much available. So don't talk about him being married because marriage is nothing. You know, Pastor Eddie.
Oh, what do you want to make up with him?
Yes, no, Pastor Eddie.
No, I don't link people to him because you know his wife might be watching the live stream now. I don't want to turn enemy to him. His wife might be watching the live stream now. When I link you to him, it will turn another a problem. So I don't link people to him. When you are looking for him, you go for him yourself.
Okay. I understand, Pastor Eddie. Pastor Eddie, when are you coming to Nigeria? I want to come to your church.
I don't know yet because I'm still in France. When I leave France now, we go to South. When I do 1 week in Nigeria, I'm going to South Africa.
Okay, church.
Hello?
I want to come to your church and I want to spend the night. And you say you have a special room. I don't.
Where are you streaming from? Where are you streaming from?
From Lagos, Pastor Eddie.
Okay. I don't know. When I'm going to South Africa, I will branch Lagos first one night before going to South Africa.
Wow. Please, Pastor Eddie, when you come, do well to tell me. I would love to meet you.
Okay, you can send me a message. When I get to Lagos before going to South Africa, you can reach out to me and meet me there, pass the night then.
Okay, yes, definitely. I'll even pass 2 nights, not just one.
Are you the one on your profile?
Yes, I'm the one.
You have a car?
Yes, I do have a car. Is there a problem?
Oh, you have a car, you work?
Yes, I work.
What's your work?
Pastor Eddie, I'm a nurse.
Nurse?
Yes.
How much is your salary?
Wow, Pastor Eddie, we don't need to talk about this here, Pastor Eddie.
You know I'm a billionaire. I don't move with ordinary women. I don't allow ordinary women to visit me when I'm in. You know I'm a billionaire.
Pastor Eddie, don't worry. Don't just worry. What you see is what you get. You don't get rubbish.
Okay, send me a message. Send me a message. I will give you my WhatsApp number. We will talk there.
Okay, Pastor Eddie. Pastor Eddie, you're so handsome.
Yes, I'm awesome. I look good every day.
Yeah, I see the goodness of God.
When you see billionaires that eat money, you recognize them.
Yes, definitely. You definitely recognize them because their skin is always skinny. Like, you're so glowing.
I'm glowing because I enjoy life. I stay under AC morning, afternoon, night. I stay under AC. I enjoy life. That's why you see me growing.
And all these people that is insulting you,
that I'm bleaching.
Don't mind them. Bleaching for what? All these people that is insulting you, they don't even have fan in their house. They don't even have they cannot even afford common fan in their house, Pastor Eddie. Trust me. Those people that are eating from mouth to mouth. Don't mind them, Pastor Eddie, please. You're great. You're so great. You know when you talk about this your shirt, I'm looking at it, it's entering my eyes.
My daughter, you don't need to look at it. I bought it a lot of money. It's worth how many dollars? You know, we billionaires, we go on shifts. We afford, we use money for big things.
Yes. It's not common, Pastor Eddie.
My daughter, keep looking at other people who claim to be a billionaire. Keep looking at them if you will find this shirt. You will never find this shirt on anybody. It's customized, made for only me.
Wow, Pastor Eddie, I love you.
Any shirt, my daughter, any shirt I put on, any shirt I wear is made for only me. It's customized. You can't find it on anybody.
Oh, yes, that's true. That's money speaking. That's money, cash speaking. When you have the money, nonsense stops. Like, you get everything at your beckon.
You're welcome, my daughter. Let me tell you something. When you are looking for billionaires, send me a message. I move with billionaires. I'm a billionaire. All my friends are billionaires. When you are looking for, let me tell you something. I'm a very secret man. I don't expose this.
Yeah, I know.
But even if you are married, I will link you to a billionaire. I don't like women to suffer. No, looking at people,
No.
people say Pastor this evil. Pastor this is not a pastor. You know why? I link people to billionaires. Even if you are married, your husband cannot take care of you. You look at it. December is coming. If your husband cannot afford December things for you, write me a message. I will link you to billionaires.
Yeah, okay, because ladies are not meant to suffer. We are meant
Thank
to
you.
eat money. We are meant to enjoy.
I'm very angry for my fellow men because most of them, instead of them to, let me tell you, women are supposed to relax. Men are supposed to look for money. When I see my fellow men who don't have money rushing into marriage, looking for women, I get angry. I get annoyed. You don't have money. What are you looking for women for? Women are meant for people who have money, billionaires.
But Pastor Eddie, what you're saying now, you told me earlier that you don't mingle with poor people, poor women. But
Yes,
you're
that's
saying otherwise now.
what are you doing? I said, if I see a friend, yes, even if I'm a billionaire, I must definitely have a poor friend. That's what I'm trying to tell you. There is no billionaire who don't have a poor friend. When I see a poor man, even if the man is not my friend, if I see a poor man, a guy who don't have money looking for a woman, I might just hate you for no reason. A poor man don't need to look for a woman. A poor man need to look for money.
Period.
When you have,
Pastor Eddie.
when you have money, you start looking for women. You can't be
Yes.
poor and be looking for women. What are you going to do? Let me tell you, this is December. This is December. Any married woman I find that your husband cannot take, if your husband cannot take care of you as a woman, I will link you out to a billionaire. If you are a girl, your boyfriend cannot take care of you, I will link you to a billionaire. That's why I'm here. I'm going to spoil people's relationship. That's why I'm here. If your boyfriend can't take care of you, send me a message. I will link you to people who can take care of you. You can't be in a relationship and be suffering.
Oh,
If your boyfriend can't take care of you,
suffering is not for us. Pastor Eddie, you understand this life.
that's the
Pastor Eddie,
reason.
I love you for that.
Go and look at my message. A lot of men are insulting me. Men are coming to my DM to insult me. I said, yes. As a man, you don't have money, you don't need wife. You don't need wife.
Yes,
Because me, I don't know. I don't know what a poor man is doing with wife. What is a poor man going to do with a wife?
All those people that will always sleep with you and love. There's nothing like love now. Love without money is nonsense. You have to take care of me, do everything for me before you love me. If you don't got the money, fuck off. That is what life is all about. Women are meant to enjoy, not to suffer.
That's the reason when let me tell you. Sometimes I look at some fellow broke people, I will just laugh. These broke people are the people who love women most. Broke people love women more than big men.
Yes. Seriously, Pastor Eddie.
They know. I'm telling you something. You are saying. Broke people know how to deceive women. You see, big men, we don't have time to deceive women. Person like me, a billionaire, when I see you, no matter how beautiful you are, if I don't want to date you, I will tell you, come and visit me. If you don't come, I will leave you. I don't have time. I don't stress myself in chatting you. Because when I see women are less. I don't put you on my head. When I say come and see me, you don't come, I might even delete your number from my phone.
You know, Pastor Eddie, all these poor people.
Let me tell you, that's how we billionaires we behave. Billionaires don't have time. Me being a billionaire, when I write a woman say, come and see me, you don't come, I will just delete your number from my phone. You can't stress me because I'm going to help you. I'm the one who's billionaires. Billionaires is going to help you. They want to give you money. They want to give you money and make you enjoy life too. You will not give me attitude. Those attitudes is meant for poor men, not billionaires. When I shout a woman, even if you are married, even if you are a single mother, even if you have a boyfriend, when I say come and see me, you refuse. I will just delete your number straight. You don't even need to see my status. We don't have any connection.
Yes, Pastor Eddie.
What are you going to be doing my list?
Pastor Eddie,
When you want to give people, let me know. When you want to give people attitude, give poor men attitude. You can't give me big man attitude when I'm going to give you money. Even if I'm going to assess you as a pastor, I will still give you money. You don't have the right to stress me. I'm a billionaire, you don't have the right to stress me. You need to go and stress poor men. If I tell you come and see me, you need to run to where I am. Because I'm going to give you money. Money is not plucked in the tree. We make money. We work for it. When I say broke men,
do you know one funny thing? All those broke ass men, they'll be the one to kill you on bed. But when you see a rich man, he doesn't last. He just know his thing and come out and give you your money.
No, my daughter, let me tell you something. Big men last. It's not that big men don't last. Big men last. So that's when big men most of them when they finish pleasing themselves, they relax. You see these poor men, even if they are pleased themselves, poor men when they finish pleasing themselves, they don't rest because they are thinking of the little money they gave to you. Maybe they promised to give you 20,000, 30,000. When they are finished pleasing themselves, they don't rest. The time they are supposed to rest,
finish the money from you.
The time broke men are supposed to rest, they don't rest. They will be thinking about the 20,000 they are going to give you for a day break. They will come to you again. Even if they are tired, they don't rest. They will still come to you because of that 20,000. You see, we billionaires, even if we give you 100,000, when we satisfy ourselves, we are happy, we relaxed. We have already pleased ourselves. We need to relax and be happy. We don't think, look, billionaires like this. That's why I say people should move with billionaires. When you do prostitution with billionaires, even if you just billionaires might pay you for a day break. When they spend their 5 minutes with you, they will tell you go away. They are tired. They will tell you go. If they spend 5 minutes, billionaires will say go. You see those poor men, they don't give you time.
Seriously, Pastor Eddie, they will just finish your life. Your waist will be twisted, Pastor Eddie. They want to take out all the whole money they gave you. Pastor Eddie, you buy medicine, you will tire. Pastor Eddie, these people now, wow. But when you meet a rich man, oh my, you get a special treatment. Just a little bit and you're fine. You go home with a lot of cash, Pastor Eddie.
Let me tell you something, my daughter. If you want to do prostitution, you need big men, billionaires. I move with billionaires. You might see it as a joke. You might say maybe most of you come here and call me a content creator. When you are looking for a billionaire, no matter, I'm a very secret somebody. Even if you are married, I like taking married women. I like taking married women to billionaires. Because if your husband don't have money, he don't have right for marriage. They say Pastor Eddie is destroying them. Pastor Eddie that's why I'm here. I want to link married women. If their husband cannot take care of them, I will link them to billionaires.
You are not destroying him. You are saying the truth. You are speaking out for women.
No, look at December is closed. As a woman, look at December is closed. As a woman, you are supposed to take a bag of rice and some money to your parents this December.
Yes.
As a woman, you have a girlfriend, a boyfriend, you are not married yet, you are supposed to take a bag of rice to your husband, your father, your mother, this December and some money. If you are dating a broke man, you cannot afford those things. You need to cheat to get those things.
Yes, so Pastor Eddie, you're there. You are speaking in spirit, Pastor Eddie. Pastor Eddie, you are speaking in spirit. You need to take something home for your parents. So that they will feel that this is my daughter. Yes, so my daughter is really in marriage. Not coming empty-handed, just saying Happy Christmas to you. No, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense, Pastor Eddie. I just love you. You are saying the truth. Don't mind those people that said you are not spoiling anything. You are protecting us. You are giving us. You are showing us the right way.
Oh, that's not my concern. Even if they say you are spoiling relationship, I will keep spoiling it. Because the single people are not fools.
Yes, so they are not fools, please. They are not, and they need to wisen up. We need thousands of people like you around so that we will know what these men are up to. If you don't get any money, any man in this live stream, and you don't have money, please fuck off. Go look for money first before looking for a woman.
Look, December is closed. December is closed. Look at marriages on December. A lot of people are setting marriages for December. December marriage. They are inviting people. You don't go to the marriage. The next thing you need to do, target the husband there. Your friends cannot get married while you are still single. They will mock at you tomorrow.
Yes.
When you see your friends doing marriage December, go there and be happy with them. Smile with them.
Seriously.
When you are going to the marriage, wear a sexy clothes. Look sexy.
Yes, so Pastor Eddie.
I will remove you. I'm not talking to Judges Pastor.
No, Pastor Eddie, I'm talking to you now. Why do you want to remove me, Pastor Eddie?
Look, setting marriage December is everywhere. You don't need to do anything. You need to dress sexy and go there. When you go there on the marriage, that your friend that invite you, don't just pretend that you are happy with him. Put your eyes on that husband there.
Yes, Pastor Eddie.
When you go to the marriage, pretend with your friend that you are happy on him getting married with the husband. The thing you need to do, target the husband. Target the husband. If you have any opportunity, use your eye to blink your eye to the husband. Men are like he goat. When you see the husband so happy, blink your eye to the husband. After blinking your eyes, go to the toilet. The husband will walk to you to the toilet, collect his husband number. After collect that husband number, go home and relax. From there, spoil that marriage.
Pastor D, Pastor D, how do you know? How do you know, Pastor D? Jesus, Pastor D, oh my God, you're busting my bubbles, Pastor D. How do you know? Oh my God, Pastor D. You're just saying the right thing. Seriously, men are anything you give them is what they take.
That marriage. Because let me tell you, those of friends you are moving with them, when they get into the relationship, you will see their status.
Yes.
They will start oppressing you with their status. So you don't need to allow them to be happy without their marriage. Spoil that marriage. When you see them getting married, you will think you are happy with them. Spoil that marriage. Because very soon they will oppress you that is single with their status. Spoil that marriage. When they are happy,
You, eh?
when they start posting their partner or their status, be happy with them. Always send them stickers. When you see them posting their partners on status, send them sticker as if you're happy. You say, "Oh, I'm jealous." Oh, when you say, "Oh, when God." When you see them posting their partner,
No, Pastor D. No. Pastor D. I'm
come on. When you see them posting their partner, always send them status. Always be happy with them. Tell them, "Oh God, when." Oh God, when. Always tell them God when. They will think you're happy with them. Your target should be for that husband. Spoil that relationship. You that is single, you are not fool. Spoil that relationship.
Pastor D. Pastor D, I have a plan now. You've already given me the direction. Pastor D, you've given me the direction. Oh, they invited me for one wedding this Christmas. Pastor D, I'm going to look hotter than the bride. Like, I'm going to look so hot. Oh, Pastor D, I'm going to look so hot. This year, I have a mission to accomplish, Pastor D. Pastor D, thank you so much. Pastor D, I'm looking at you. You're so handsome, Pastor D. I can't wait to see you, Pastor D.
No problem. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, Pastor D, I love you. Kisses.
God bless. Have a wonderful night. God bless.
Thank you. I'll message you, Pastor D.
Yeah, send me a message so that when I'm going to South Africa, when I get to Lagos, you can reach out to me there.
Okay, Pastor D.
Have a wonderful night. God bless.
Okay, bye.
Hello.
Daddy,
Good evening. You're welcome. God bless. Where are you streaming from?
I'm screaming for me most days, sir.
You're welcome. So why are you here?
Sir, I love your preaching. I love everything about you. The way you direct us with the young girls. You know, these days there is one of my girlfriend. She's doing wedding on this coming Christmas now. The way she do post her fiancé, post everything, like the way as if I'm the single one there. Like I'm even jealous. But from this your preaching this night, what I'm going to do? This, sir, thank you. I don't know, like it's like God directed me to this your life.
Let me tell you. You don't need to be jealous. You need to be jealous inside of you. Don't be jealous outside.
No, I'm not jealous outside.
No. When you see her doing the marriage, be the most happiest person there on the marriage. Be the most happiest person. Dance as if you have never danced before. Dance there on the marriage. Your target is for that man.
Yes, sir. My shabby clothes is in the tailor now. I'm going there.
If you like, take everything as joke. You are doing yes, sir. When you get there, your target is for that man. Do everything to get that man. Because when that your friend settle down tomorrow, she will mock at you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So my clothes will be very hot that day. I will make sure that even though I not take her husband, I must take somebody there. I don't care. Maybe chairman of the occasion, maybe the father-in-law, anybody. I must make sure that I grab somebody that day, sir. Thank you so much for this. I really appreciate, sir.
Let me tell you something. Even if you take his father, it will not be that will not spoil the marriage. Take the man as well. That your friend don't need to be happy.
Okay, sir. Yes, it's true. And the husband is very, very handsome. The day she met that man, I was with her, and the man stopped both of us, but she ran.
Let me tell you something. No, calm down. Let me tell you something. When you see those people, when you're happy with them, you'll be the fool there. You see them,
sir.
Those marriages, most of them are doing the marriage is to mock you being their friend. They are using that marriage to mock you. Very soon you will be seeing their status, you will be crying because you are single. You don't need to give them that chance. You don't need to give them that chance. They need to. When you see this on news, when they say that this woman went to snatch his friend's husband, you see this guy is going for his. You think it's just an ordinary news? No, it's the things they saw. Most friends when they get into marriage, they get into relationship, they are there to impress to oppress their friend. You being a smart friend, you don't need to lose guard yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir. I'm going this night, sir. I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to plan. Like I'm going to think like the how I'm going to organize everything that we make sure that I grab my own copy, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
God bless my daughter.
Yeah, thank you. I love
God
you,
bless.
sir.
Have a wonderful night.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
Pastor. Oh,
You can't greet. Tell me hello, Pastor.
oh, sorry. Good
Sir,
afternoon. Oh, Pastor.
Good afternoon, good evening. You're welcome. You're
good
blessed for
morning,
history.
sir.
I'm streaming from the US. Me?
You are streaming from the you are welcome. Are you a military?
Yes.
Yes. Can you turn on the camera? Let me see you.
Right now, not in the right place. But you can go through my profile or you can ask me.
I should go through your profile because I'm jobless. I don't have anything doing. I will just leave the live stream and go through your profile.
I am so sorry, Pastor Eddie. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say something harsh to you. My bad. My apologies.
I should leave the. Why are you here?
What am I? Well, don't be harsh on me now. Why are you shouting on me? You don't shout. You know, I don't like people shouting on me. It's not cool. Be nice. Be polite.
Why are you here?
Be polite. You cannot bring down your voice. Why are you shouting?
You're asking me why am I shouting because I will remove
No,
you.
bring down your voice. Bring down your voice and ask me why
Tell
I'm
me the
here.
reason why you are here. I will remove you.
At least bring down your voice. You're shouting on me. I don't like people shouting on me.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You are welcome. You are blessed. Where are you streaming from?
From
Hello.
Nigeria, sir. From Nigeria, sir.
You're in Nigeria. Tell me from Nigeria. You don't have a place in Nigeria.
Oh, sorry, sir. From Ogun State, sir.
Okay, you are welcome. So why are you here?
I'm here for prayer, sir. I want to pay for me. I want to have money this night. No.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir. I just want to have money. I need money.
You need money. You send me a message. Why are you telling me that you need money? No.
I want to pay for me, sir. I have money now, sir.
Are you okay? Send me a message. If you want me to pray for you, send me a message.
Sir, I'm just saying, sir. Wait, sir.
You don't have common sense.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You are welcome. You are blessed. Where are you streaming from?
I'm streaming from Lagos, Nigeria. Thanks for accepting me on your live stream.
You are welcome. You are blessed. Why are you here? Who is this?
Daddy,
You are welcome.
it's Christmas time and I want to be the first person to sing Christmas carol for you. I noticed that these people have been stressing you and I want to sing something calm for you. So as I am singing this song now, you people should pay your tithe and
Tell me the
offering.
reason. No, I don't need that song yet. Tell me the reason why you're here. Am I a little child? You're going to sing a Christmas
Daddy, I
carol?
want to sing Christmas carol for you now. It's
Is that why you're
Christmas.
here? I don't think you have something reasonable to say. Do I look like a little child you want to sing a Christmas carol for? You are not okay. You are not okay. You want to sing a Christmas carol for me? Do I look like a little child? Do I look like your younger brother? You are not okay. You want to sing a Christmas carol for me? Do I look like your younger